In the lab we're mixing contusion, looking for that perfect solution. It's precise and never guesswork. Science in our every framework. Add your drops, don't stop the flow till the new shade starts to show. Endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. Chemistry in perfect order. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. The endpoint of a titration is the point where the indicator changes color. Drop by drop in tiny measure, find that perfect lab-born treasure. Titrates dance to make things right in the chemical spotlight.